How to assemble a rear wheel with 135mm axle and manual hub interface. Start the disassembly by turning the barrel adjusters of the controller clockwise to create some extra cable slack. Remove the cable and hardware from the hub interface. Remove the axle nuts and non-turn washers. Remove the rear wheel from the bike and guide the belt off the sprocket. The assembly of the rear wheel follows the same steps in reverse order. Guide the belt onto the sprocket and place the rear wheel into the bike. Assemble the non-turn washers and the axle nuts. Tighten the axle nuts to 30 to 40 Nm. Assemble the cable and hardware. When applicable, reinstall the brake hardware or chain case. Now, you're all set.